Hey!
So, sir, you tell me why you robbing this car?
Huh?
What?
You heard me?
Bro, this is my car. What are you talking about? You live here? I ain't never seen you here before.
What?
How about you step back?
What? Come on!
You ain't gonna leave?
You're ridiculous. You're ridiculous.
If you ain't gonna leave, cops gonna get very involved.
What? The cops? Yo, this is mine.